Alright guys, so the video you guys are about to see I did on the side of the highway, southbound 35 by mile marker 215, which is by Kyle. There was a driver, his truck broke down, and long story short, swift beneath the trailer moved, and so I had to go out there with my tow chains, which thankfully I had in the back of my pickup truck, and well, I guess you can see what happened in this clip here. Video is kind of bad though, just as a forewarning. Anyway, enjoy, comment, like, and subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.
Alright, this is going to be a really quick video. So, got chain on the back of my truck. I got to pull him out. I'm doing on the highway rescue. Got a chain around the axle. Let me get my flashlight here. Chain around the axle right there. Bumper is damaged. I didn't do that. He's going to release the brakes here in a second. I'm going to pull him out. I don't remember where I put my gloves. Landing gear down. Alright, cool. Alright, I got to pull him out. This is a really crappy video that I'm doing quickly. Or trying to.